One time I was in the jungle and it was so dark I didn't know where it was, and I heard a noise. It was a very scary noise, and this is what I heard.
Tell that story again.
Huh?
Tell that story.
I was so scared that I had stumbled into this area and I had no idea where I was. So once I ran out of there, I took the sound to the scary area, and they told me that it was a creature called the elephant. What was it? It was an elephant rhinoceroses, and they attack very quickly. I had to get the hell out of there, and I'm so frightened. I'm not ever going back there again. It was just so scary. If you turn it up during that gray area, you'll be frightened too. It's something you just don't want to see or ever again or hear. It's so scary.